Hey guys, guess what? I got a new phone. It's an iPhone 14, as you can see. Can my camera focus, please? And I'm gonna unbox it right here. Alright, okay, let's do it. That's a nice colour. It's like a very, very light purple. Hell. Oh, this doesn't feel real. Okay, I'm gonna put that to the side right there. Let's have a look at what we get. Basically nothing, because, yeah, Apple doesn't really give much when you get a new iPhone now. So I've got a charger, except it's a USB-C on this end, so I won't get much use out of it. It's still cool to have, I guess. I do have an iPad charger head that does have a USB-C end on it, so I can use that with this. In here, manuals on how to use. Oh, you've got an Apple sticker, yay! And you've got your SIM tool and all of that stuff. I know what you guys want to see. You want to see me peel this off. Oh wow, it has no DNA on it. And yeah, this is my new phone. It's all shiny and new. Apple. Hello, mate. All right, my phone's charging right now, and when it's charged up a decent amount, I'll go grab it and set everything up. Let's set up my new phone. But before I do that, I'm gonna put in the SIM card. It is a super nice phone. I do like it a lot. It seems like I have 4G, so the SIM card works. Oh, I've already gotten this up. That's funny. I'm gonna use this to... I'm gonna do this off camera. Ah, Face ID! Continue. I'm gonna do this, hang on. Oh, that's cool! I don't really need to do this though, because like, COVID's not really a thing anymore. Face ID is now set up. Transfer from iPhone. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, whatever. Make this your new iPhone. Yeah, that's... Right, yeah, continue. Alright. This, may take a while. So I'll see you guys in a bit. While we wait for all of that to transfer, let's apply this case that I also got for my phone. I'm gonna give my phone a quick clean. Stickers! Instructions.
Toolkit. That's what we're after.
I see.
Dust absorber.
That's what we want right there.
You don't have to video me wiping.
Okay.
That in there.
Nice. It doesn't seem like it's secure in there, so maybe the front goes on first.
You need to go into you. Like that.
Whoa! Yeah.
There we go.
Let's hold it. Nice!
Yeah?
I like it. Right now it says it will take 8 minutes to finish. It's nearly done. It said 1 minute for like 5 minutes now.
In history.
It's the longest video. It's nearly done. The progress bar is nearly filled. Come on. Keep your other iPhone nearby and connected to power until the transfer is complete. Whoa, guys. This isn't connected to power. Oh my god. I'm a bad person.
154 mile an hour top speed.
It's gone black. I think it's done.
It's
Transfer complete. Yay. And it's done. And with that, my time with the iPhone SE second generation has ended, and now begins my time with the iPhone 14. Thank you guys so much for watching. By the time this goes out, I'll be 15 years old, which is cool. Anyways, yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time. Subscribe. Bye!